Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to complete the regional profile sheet that you see in front of you and how not to. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out what place you're going to be. You're going to be given a country every time we go to a different continent. So for the use of this discussion, we're going to be using England. So I'm going to go to PowerPoint. I have it already set up, England by me. And the next thing that the regional profile sheet says is define the region. Now what I don't want to see, and what I'll know if you do, is I don't want you to go over to Wikipedia, pull it up, say, oh, this has a description right here. I'm just going to highlight, go to File, copy that, and then go back to my PowerPoint, and then try to paste whatever it is in. Okay, that is called cheating, and if you do that, you will take a 0 on the project because that's not what you're supposed to do. So what you're supposed to do is go regional description, come up with a description from reading, so it's going to take you a little while, and decide after you've read this whole part how you want to describe the location that you've been assigned. So maybe my definition would look something like this right here. That the United Kingdom, copy that, I'll paste it over into my, this is my own words though, not somewhere off the internet. The United Kingdom includes the island of Great Britain plus Northern Ireland. England is part of Great Britain. Along with Wales and Scotland, the British Isles are a group of islands in the northwest Europe. It's 53 north latitude and 4 west longitude. So if we were looking at a map, it would be, we'll just use this one right here. You can see highlighted right here, but you can see here Spain, Portugal, and this is what the area that we're talking about. So go back, let's go back to the regional profile sheet. The next thing is major cities, states, and countries. And let's go ahead and do some research on that. Maybe we want to navigate away from using Wikipedia so much. A lot of you get stuck on that. So let's go here. This one is the official site of England. Let's go to places to visit. Look at this thing. It's got historical cities. It's got city breaks. And you do some research, come up with what you think of as the most important cities. You should probably make sure you include London. And then you go from there. So maybe my definition will look something like this. So I highlight this, bring it over into my PowerPoint, new slide. These are the major cities. And I've got capital city of United Kingdom is London, England. Other major important cities are Bristol, Oxford, Leeds, York, Liverpool, Manchester, Birmingham. It's near the countries of Ireland, France, Belgium, and the Netherlands, which you'll have to put a map in later, and you will be able to locate all of those, hopefully. So that means the next part is physical geography of the region. Again, this is going to take some research. So you're going to go back and maybe do a search on the physical geography of England. Come up with that. If you want to use Wikipedia, again, you have to make sure I would use more than one site. And again, I don't want you, oh, here we go. And then control, copy, and think that you can just take that information and paste it over. That doesn't work. It's cheating. Okay, so we're doing physical geography. So I need to label my slide. Physical geography of the country of England, and I find the definition after researching, not just pulling information, copy and pasting, and maybe it'll look something like this. Copy, come back to mine, and the definition I came up with through research was England is mostly flat, more mountains, but basically the bottom line is you have to do your research. Know what you're talking about. Don't copy and paste. Good luck.